Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to add subtitles to your TikTok videos like this. Now this can be beneficial for two main reasons. One, studies have shown that 80% of people are browsing through social media with their volume turned off. So even on TikTok, that's a large percentage of people who are not going to be hearing your message, and adding subtitles is an easy way to remedy this. Another reason is it's just an element that can help you stand out from other creators and keep your audience engaged. We can quickly add subtitles to your TikTok videos at Zubtitle.com. It's totally free to sign up, so just go ahead and record your video on your phone and then drag in that vertical video into Zubtitle. Then what it'll do is automatically transcribe and subtitle your video in just a few seconds. It's super easy to make any adjustments to the text, add emojis, or change the timing by adjusting or dragging around these caption breaks. To style your subtitles, you can select from several different preset templates or create your own style. I'm going to select this one that I've created myself. Now keep in mind, your TikTok caption or your description is going to be overlaid towards the bottom of your video. And so what I recommend is fine-tuning the position of your captions just up about a third so that it doesn't interfere with those. We can also add a custom watermark by uploading your logo. And I'm going to add a progress bar animation to the bottom as well. One last thing, if you happen to film your video landscape instead of vertical, you can click here to quickly change your video's aspect ratio in just a second. Once done, we'll render and download, and of course you can airdrop your file over to your mobile device, or you can log into your Zubtitle account on your mobile browser and download it from there. Alright, let's post to TikTok and see the final product. Are you looking for an easy way to add video captions, add a headline, progress bar, or resize your video for social media? Zubtitle makes adding these elements effortless. Sign up in the link below to try out Zubtitle for free. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more video marketing tips in the future. Until next time, keep creating.